I might be saying this wrong, but I think it's a rabid something wolf spider. I know it's a something wolf spider, but I might be saying it wrong. But he's a big guy. He's a big one. It's the kind of spiders you look forward to down here in Arkansas. Some big spiders. There's big spiders everywhere, but you know, I've seen a lot more stuff here in Arkansas than I did when I lived in Michigan. I can tell you that much. Anyways, Damascus Life is out. Just wanted to show you this cool big spider that I've come across in accident. He's being calm and collected for me, and I appreciate that. Anyways, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Damascus Life is out.